You know, we're looking at we need a striker to possibly stay in it this season, and we're on about going and signing left backs and DMs. Do me a favour. Do me a favour.
Exactly, bro.
Pointing, Robbie. At the end of the day, we've thrown away the League Cup this season and the FA Cup. Our chances for trophies are limited, and I've got to say, if we come out of the season without a trophy, then Arteta has to go. So it's all on him now. It's all on him now. Raise your expectation levels then. We're a big club. The expectation is to win a trophy, man.
He's doing the Odegaard. Raise the expectations, guys. Raise the expectations, yeah? Raise the levels, raise the standards. Look at these finished up. Look at them now coming for him because he's trying to raise the standards. Look,
Did you hear him? Did you hear them?
And what he's done is he's thrown away the League Cup and he's thrown away the FA Cup. That's not good enough for me.
It's just getting started, and look what he's done last season. Yeah, we lost Saliba towards the end, and that's what flopped it for us. Today, it's the players.
Right.
I agree with you.
The players that he brought. And why don't we have an adequate backup to Saliba if that's the reason why we bottled the league? Yeah, that's what I would have said to him. How come we're still relying on Ben White that never made his name at Arsenal, playing as a centre back, and we got Kivior? Yeah, how many more times do we need to see Kivior get cooked or score an own goal? I've been telling man this guy ain't good enough. Yeah, I would have told him that. And why did we get a young manager in the first place? Because Ancelotti was available. He went to Everton, so you could have got Ancelotti. You didn't have to go with this youth project.
He's just getting started though, Northside. He's only 4 years into a job. You know, it's only phase 4. What a load of shit. I hate this fan base, right? And just the way that they reacted to him there. Oh, no, we can't get rid of him. Oh, no. Like he was talking, like he'd said something that was completely out of turn. Like, why shouldn't he get sacked? That the expectation at the beginning of the season from every single Arsenal fan, whether you're toxic, positive Arteta, fucking sexual, or whether you're one of us, was to win a trophy and compete for the league. He ain't winning no trophies. So it's bye-bye time. Yeah? Get rid. Bye-bye. See you later. But again, the same things infested this club like it did with Arsene Wenger when he stayed for 10 years too long, which is we'll keep rolling out the PR. We've got the people on the payroll that will push out a load of crap, and people just accept it and believe it. Why is it so wrong of him to say, I expect us to go and win an FA Cup. I expect us to go and win a League Cup.
Brandon, the same person will say, Tottenham don't win anything, but then an Arsenal fan wants to win. Oh, you're negative. Make that make sense. You know what I mean? Let's keep going, man. There's more.
Let me tell you something. Listen, you see Arteta's the man. Listen, you see right from the beginning, when Arteta take the job over, yeah, it bear problems. He had to start from the beginning. Yeah. And football's not easy, you know. Football's not easy, brother.
Name another manager that's done what Arteta's done in the time he's done it at his age, with his experience.
Let me tell you something.
Are you being a bit too harsh?
No.
I think so. We play good tonight. We play well tonight.
Oh, man,
we never take our chances. But see what it is? What I don't understand is, you see, fans, yeah, so for some reason, we expect Arsenal to win every single week. Football's not about that. Football's not about that.
Okay.
Football's about on the day.
I don't
Football's
expect
about
that,
on
mate.
the day, Robbie. Joyce, on the day. Forget the tactics and all that shit. Yeah, you see me? I believe in Arteta. I believe in Arteta.
Okay, he believes in Arteta.
No, hang on, mate. I'll tell you something. Right.
Bro, it doesn't matter if you believe. What's he talking about, bro? This guy looks like a nitty from King's Cross,
Yeah,
bro.
like
It's like a nitty from Halsden, bro. What's he talking about, bro?
Man's
Man
like-
is saying, oh, name me another manager that's done what he's done. Bro, all of them failed, bro. All of them roughly around his age failed, bro. Did Ole not fail? You know what I'm saying? Did Lampard not fail? They're not good enough. There's reasons why clubs don't go and get novice managers, bro. This is for professionals. This is a professional setting, bro. They go out there and they get their stripes. They don't go to big clubs because most of them fail. What are we talking about? We're giving him props for underachieving. His job is to win the league. When he signed the contract, your job is to win major honours. Have you or have you not? No, you've made us regress. We look worse than last season in every aspect. Nothing's been addressed, but we have to take the blame. Oh, he's a young manager. Well, at the end of the day, why should we have a young manager when we've been waiting 20 years for a league title? That's not what I wanted. Why not go get a proven manager? No, because you man are so snobby. It's all about, oh, we don't want Ancelotti and Simeone. Oh, we don't want this, we don't want that. Yeah? Name me a youth project at Arsenal that at the end of it, we have won a major honour. because we've had multiple youth projects. Name me one that's actually ended with us winning major honours. Name me one. Chelsea are going through a bit of a youth project. Look how hard it is for them. Look at their squad. Look at their team. Look at the state of that club right now. At the end of the day, bro, like, I don't know how many more examples they need of proven managers with proven players or good players that know what they're doing, or a mixture. That, bro, it's incredible the way they defend this manager, because they're very short-sighted to realize why we got rid of Wenger. Because we wanted to win. We had enough. But all of a sudden now it's okay. What are we talking about? Brandon, please.
I ain't listening to either of them, man. Yeah, do you know what I mean? Like, man can't even get his words out properly. Maybe go sort your guns out before you give an opinion on the fucking club. Do you know what I mean? Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. Like, I'm behind Arteta. Yeah. Do you know what I mean? Like, this is what
them Lego team. I
don't know what to say. Northside. It's not even like they're just. You could tell as well that they've got the IQ of like my tabletop. Do you know what I mean? Like, they're just thick.
I've got a stat here. Money spent on forwards since 2020. Man City, 265 mil. Liverpool, 215 mil. Tottenham, 185 mil. Villa, 145 mil. We are bottom of that table. We spent 65 million pounds on forwards since 2020. That is not good enough. So what I'm saying, yeah, on forwards. Look, the stat is here, mate. We're not playing Kai Havertz as a striker. We're not playing Kai Havertz as a striker, apart from tonight. We've been playing him in midfield. The point is, we are not spending enough money on forwards, and we haven't done for a few years now. So we don't have someone in that team who can finish off our chances, and that is fast becoming a problem for us. So what I'm saying is, this month, go out and get a striker. Even, I don't care if it's Ivan Toney, you know, whoever's available, because I think even Dominic Solanke, I think, would do a better job than what we've got out there.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Talking absolute facts, but they won't listen. They won't listen. They'll just label him toxic and negative and not listen to any points that he made. He's talking facts, bro. But they won't listen to him. What did he say there that's wrong?
Okay, exactly. They won't listen until it's too late. Everything that he just said there, yeah. I mean, he said that basically in the nicest way possible. You know, unless we go and get a striker, maybe we can do something. If that was me, I'd say even if we get a striker, we ain't winning no. Do you know what I mean? So he's just trying to make something different. Like, everybody knew Jesus was never a killer. Everybody knew, you know, that Kai Havertz wasn't a killer. Trossard's not a killer. But we expect them to score at the same rate just because they had an anomaly season last season. And that's what it was. It was an anomaly. And we said this in the summer, bro. Like, people were telling us, 85 goals scored in the Premier League. You don't need a striker. Well, yeah, we do. Yeah, we do, because all it takes is a couple of players to drop poor performances throughout the season, and all of a sudden your goals dry up. And that's exactly what we're seeing.
We've got the Black Homer Simpson. He makes his return. Look at Mystic Dowd. Mystic Dowd. Now, look at his prediction. Look at the arrogance of Arsenal fans. Look at this guy, this absolute filo da puta. Look at his Mystic Dowd. Look at what he's got to say. Before the game.
We're vexed because we lost the last two games. 3-0 Arsenal. It's going to happen.
FA Cup away to Arsenal. What's the score's going to be today?
Bro, we're going to have revenge today. Do you know when it comes to heritage? FA Cup is our heritage.
Times is changing now.
Nah, man, it's different now. It's different now. But this is our cup. This is our competition. Especially at home. You think we're going to lose against Liverpool? Come on,
so
man,
wait,
no chance.
You sound confident. What does that mean? Easy win or?
We're not facing against Liverpool. We're facing against Salah FC. Salah gone to AFCON. Against Liverpool. Come on.
So what do you think? No Salah, easy win.
No Salah. I had no Van Dijk as well.
No
the rumours. No Salah, no Van Dijk. Yeah, bro. Eddie's gonna be cooking today.
Oh man.
Eddie's gonna be cooking.
So what's the score's gonna be?
At home, we're vexed because we lost the last two games. 3-0 Arsenal. It's gonna happen.
3-0 Arsenal. Eddie was cooking, yeah? Eddie's going to be cooking. Look what happened.
Eddie held bench, bro. Eddie held bench. Yeah?
He's there chatting rubbish, looking like the local dustbin man, bro. What are you chatting about, bro? Talking absolute bucaria, bro. I'm sick and tired of this guy, bro. You know what I mean? This absolute nitty, bro. I'm sick and tired of him, bro. Go pick up cigarette butts on the floor. I'm sick and tired of this filho da puta, bro. Talking rubbish, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? I hate these men trying to represent the club online, bro. You're a bimbo, bro. I'm so sick and tired of this guy. What happened to your prediction? Oh, you were wrong again. Nothing different there. Brother, I'm done. Let's move. Let's move. We had a Liverpool fan that was absolutely rattling Robbie. This was A1, bro.